Hey, my name is Dimi. I'm a bartender and an instructor at European Bartender School, where I train students every day to become the best bartenders they can be. We've created these episodes for you to learn some tips and tricks to have a taste of what it's like to be a bartender. Let's go!
Hi again, I'm back. And this time I'm going to show you how to make some nice syrups at home. We're going to begin by making a simple sugar syrup, which means the ratio sugar to water will be 1:1. That's half a kilogram of sugar and the same amount of water. Now we're going to warm it up until the sugar crystals are dissolved, but remember, do not boil it because this will evaporate precious water. And this is how you do simple sugar syrup. And now I would like to show you how to make delicious pineapple syrup. I will now cut the pineapple in little chunks. And then we put the pineapple chunks inside the jar. And then we add the same amount of sugar to the pineapple. Then we close the jar, give it a good shake, and leave it in the fridge overnight. What we're going to do next is add equal amount of water to that of pineapple and sugar. We put it in a pot on the stove. Now we warm it up to dissolve the remaining sugar. And then you separate the syrup from the pieces of pineapple in the pot. And there you go, delicious pineapple syrup that you can use in your next cocktail. Alright guys, there is one more syrup I would love to show you how to make, and this is oleo-saccharum. So all we need is sugar, lemon zest as well. Then we need to massage the lemon oils into the sugar. Then you put the mixture in your fridge for overnight. So once it stayed in the fridge for overnight, it should look exactly like this. And then we add the lemon juice. Then we mix it well until all sugar is dissolved. Then we warm it up to help the sugar dissolve and kill all the bacteria. And remember, do not bring it to a boil because then the flavor properties of the syrup will change. And here we have it. We separate the syrup from the zests and it's ready to use. So now you know how to make these two delicious syrups. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!